Good morning, boys and girls. I'm going to share one of my very favorite authors, again, Jamie Lee Curtis. And this story is called Where Do Balloons Go? An uplifting mystery. Have you ever thought, where do balloons go? I wonder if you have. This story might tell us some of the places they go. Where do balloons go? Where do balloons go when you let them go free? It can happen by accident. It happened to me. Where do they go when they float far away? Do they ever catch cold and need somewhere to stay? Do they keep going up? Can they ever just stop? I'm sure they're always concerned that they'll pop. Maybe caught up in wires, pushed up by the breeze, poked by tall buildings, or tangled in trees. Are they always alone? Do they meet up in pairs? Do they ever get married and make balloon heirs? Do they ever write postcards, email, or fax? Do they ever just let down their strings and relax? Maybe they're better away from the smog, being twisted by clowns or chased by my dog. But floating so high without worries or cares, don't they miss birthdays, parties, and fairs? Where do balloons go? What's really up there? As far as I see, it's just sky and air. Do they tango with airplanes or cha-cha-cha with birds? Can plain balloons read balloons printed with words? If one's loose in Norway and one in Tibet and one in Alaska and Massachusetts and one in Bolivia, England, and France, do they meet up high? Gotta pan back now. For a big balloon dance? Do some go far that end up in space? Do they challenge the rockets to float them a race? And what if the leader gets close to the sun? We know rubber melts. That wouldn't be fun. Then, does it get quiet? Do the stars give a shove and send it on high to that place up above? Does it float there forever, remembering me, and know that I'm happy that it's floating free? Where do balloons go? It's a mystery, I know, so just hold on tight till you have to let go. The end. And that is Where Do Balloons Go? And I'm wondering if you might have thought about that question before, and maybe you could think about all the places that these balloons went